Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about the Shimano Saint pedals and doing a basic service on them. Now you get a left-sided pedal and a right-sided pedal. On the pedals you'll see there's an indicating arrow. This one indicates that way. So for the right side, if you want to tighten the cartridge, anti-clockwise. So if you want to loosen it, you have to loosen it clockwise. On the left-sided pedal, if you want to loosen it, obviously the opposite direction of the tightening sequence, which is anti-clockwise. Once you remove the cartridge, you'll see there's grease on it. There's the bearing. So the purpose of putting in new grease is to get some new fresh grease onto the bearing. You wipe this off, wipe it down, fill the cartridge 1/4 with your grease. When you put it back, it will start squeezing the grease back into the bearing. It's quite a unique system, very easy to do. 10 Newton meters. If you don't have a torque wrench, basically that's lightly hand tight. Like you would close a tap, you don't want it to drip. Just thought I'd show this to you guys. Red Rocket, out for now. Always make sure when you tighten these, hand tighten them first, or put them in with the hands, so that you don't cross thread the threads. So we decided to do it as simple as possible. When you put the cartridge back, locate the threads. Once they glide in smoothly, you'll know. This one went nice. The previous one didn't go so nice, so we did that one over like you could see, but this is exactly how you should do it, taking care not to cross thread. Now for the tightening process. Always take care not to scratch up your pedals. Turn them until they bottom out. There, that's bottomed out. Now we're going to, not yet. Now we're going to hand tighten. That's it. Repeat the process with the other one, and you've got a pair of serviced pedals. Out for now. Oh, before I forget, this is the old grease being pushed out as the new grease starts to be pushing in. So as you tighten it, remember this is the right hand pedal. New grease pushes in, and check out the old used grease is being pushed out. Now isn't that way cool? Red Rocket, out for now.